Salt in coffee? It sounds strange until you understand the science. Why does salt in coffee make it taste so good? It's a question that went viral a few years ago, and it sparked some fascinating discussions about food science. Let's dive into why it works and what it teaches us about flavor. It all started with a viral video where a student dropped a pinch of salt into her morning coffee. She called it a game changer, and after that, it spread like wildfire. Everyone from morning shows to cafés began exploring the idea. But why does this work? It all comes down to chemistry. Coffee contains a lot of bitter compounds, like caffeine and chlorogenic acids, that give it that strong, bold flavor we love. But salt can alter how we perceive those flavors. A pinch of sodium in coffee reduces the intensity of the bitter compounds, sending fewer, bitter signals to your brain. The result? A smoother, less bitter cup of coffee. Salt doesn't just mask bitterness, it brings out other flavors. For example, just a pinch of salt on dark chocolate or grapefruit can elevate the sweetness and richness. The same principle applies to coffee. Salt enhances the natural nutty and caramel notes, making the overall taste more complex. But there's more going on here. Salt plays a role in what scientists call flavor integration. When your coffee tastes less bitter than expected, your brain adjusts its internal expectations, creating a small moment of pleasure. This is what makes each sip feel smoother. It's the brain's response to a more balanced flavor. Salt's effect isn't limited to coffee. It's the secret ingredient in many dishes, helping to balance flavors. And vinegar, another household staple, works in a similar way when poaching eggs. Ever notice that chefs always add vinegar to the poaching water? It's not superstition, it's science. Vinegar slightly lowers the pH of the water, which helps egg proteins bond faster and more tightly, resulting in a neat, compact egg white. Without vinegar, the egg whites spread, creating those feathery wisps that make poaching difficult. The difference is instant and visible. In fact, scientists have shown that acidified water, like the vinegar-enhanced water, reduces the spread of egg whites and makes them smoother and creamier. Just like salt in coffee, vinegar affects our sensory experience. Even a small amount of vinegar gives eggs a fresher, cleaner taste. The acidity enhances the egg's richness, providing contrast that makes the egg taste even better. Salt and vinegar, two humble ingredients in every kitchen, do far more than just season our food. They're also working behind the scenes to change how we perceive taste. This chemistry isn't just for chefs. It's something we can all experiment in our own kitchens. Salt and vinegar are both ionic compounds, meaning they work with charged particles, ions. Salt introduces sodium ions that suppress bitterness, while vinegar adds hydrogen ions, which helps proteins bond faster. Though they work differently, both manipulate the chemical structure of the food, making our experience of it richer and more complex. What's amazing about both salt and vinegar is how simple they are to use, yet they have a powerful effect on how we taste. A pinch of salt in your coffee can transform your morning cup, and a splash of vinegar in poaching water can help create the perfect egg. These small adjustments not only enhance flavor, but also show us the magic of food science in action. Curious to learn more about how everyday ingredients can change the way you experience food? In my book, The Food Questions America is Asking, I dive deeper into the science behind your favorite flavors. Get your copy today and discover the chemistry that's already happening in your kitchen.